Hi Geminis, this is your next 10 days reading. I have already uploaded your career and your love reading for the month of August. Today we are on the 16th of August. 16th to the 25th, I am going to do a reading of that period and the energies which will be surrounding you, which will be coming to you, and which will affect you in a certain way. Things you have to take, things you have to forgo. These things I will talk about. So let's start your reading with the first thing which I would want you to hear, that is the angel's advice from the angels oracle deck. So the first message for you from the angels is focus on your priorities. So what is it saying? When you put your focus is where you receive your outcome. Your priorities are calling to you, which may produce a feeling of anxiety unless you give them the time and attention they and you deserve. Even a small amount of time devoted to your priorities will help you feel better and more confident. So, it is the time to focus on your priorities. Decide what is the most important thing, what is the most important task in your life, and give it precedence. So, this is the energy which I am getting from the angels who are advising you to have this mantra in your mind for the next 10 days, that is to focus on your priorities. So the first energy which I am getting for you, which may have already started, that is the temperance card. Temperance means there was a situation in the recent past which required your calm and confident approach. So you are now in a balanced or a healing kind of energy which is there, wherein you are calmly understanding the situation and moderating the situation towards your benefit. So you are negotiating, you are rebalancing yourself, and this is the kind of energy I see. I see also, fast movement and activity which is going to happen for you. Lot of information over online information is going to come to you. Very fast movement is going to happen. You might travel, you might take up a travel, or the indications of travel can come to you in these next 10 days. So there will be a forward movement for you, a progression for you. So where are you coming from? You were in a situation of lack, which is clarifying the temperance. So when you were in a situation of lack in your life, lack of money, lack of relationship, lack of love, so you are coming out of that situation with hope and healing with the temperance card. So this is happening in the first place. The second place, the overwhelming energy of fast movement and progress is clarified by the 10 of swords. This means you were in a situation of betrayal, blackmail, cheating, and failure. So this energy is being mitigated by this situation of 8 of wands, which is forward movement, progress, because this is ending. This 10 of swords situation is ending. The situation of being put to ground, being wounded, being bothered by failure and bothered by betrayal is going to end, and you will go towards a situation of new things, new information, new progression towards a new kind of life. However, you are still stuck in your energies. You are feeling self doubt. A kind of regressive energy is around you, which is giving you sleepless nights, which is making you worry, and which is making you anxious. So there is anxiety within the next 10 days. There will be anxiety despite your forward movement. It could mean that you are self doubting, you are low on confidence, and you are doubting yourself whether you will be able to achieve things which are coming on fast towards you. So you might be scared of accepting some love offer, you might be scared of starting something new. You are depressed with certain situation of the economy which is affecting you badly. Maybe a job loss had happened and you are looking for a new job. However, when the job is given to you, you feel that you are not ready for it. So this is the kind of energy which I am seeing. I am seeing an Aries energy around you, or an energy of regression, energy of someone who is father figure like, could be a boss, could be someone who is very powerful, or government rules and restrictions which are around you, which is causing this, Eight of Swords energy around you. So your clarification is that you are going to cling on to whatever you have, you are going to balance the situation, you will try your level best to see that your material possessions are not affected. So this is the kind of energy I'm getting with the Four of Pentacles. For some of you, it is a good news. People who were feeling the situation of lack, the Five of Pentacles, they will feel this Four of Pentacles and would get on top of the money situation and make it balanced by spending less, maybe by borrowing, or by doing something which will balance their monetary situation. So you are finally feeling, by the when these 10 days are passing, you will finally feel that you are balanced, you are grounded, you are making good decisions. Or an earth sign energy, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, will help you in stabilizing this situation. However, the money worry will always remain at the back of your mind. You like living in good conditions, you like your partner to be happy, you like your family to be happy, you want the comforts, you want to fulfill your desires. So you will be working towards your 10 of Cups, getting the joy out of your material goods, your emotional well-being. So this will happen for you within the next 10 days. These two energies of Queen of Pentacles and 10 of Cups is a good situation within the next 10 days. You will see that you are going towards stabilization. However, there will be a cause of pain or sorrow, which will also come, a short term problem of 2-day 3-day problem which can happen for you. You can feel a loss, you can feel a pain in your love life or in your career, some thing which will give you a bit of pain. So this painful energy is there and it will go into your head because of some bad investments, because of some thing which you were planning to do, which was based on a monetary award or reward or gift, that will not, or an inheritance that will not come to you, that will be the cause of pain for you. So the material concerns will cause you some unhappiness. Maybe for some of you this could be in love relation, you wanted to attach yourself to someone, but the foundations will be shaken and the love affair might end. So you can see this kind of energy in the next 10 days or the indications of it. So you will feel like a wounded warrior, you will not give up, you will try your level best to work out and find a solution in this situation. The Magician card, your own energy, will come into the fore and try to manifest what you are wishing for. So a wish fulfillment path is going to open with the Magician card. So Magician will help you to find a way, Magician will help you to find solutions to problems. However, you will be passing through this karma cycle. What you do is what you get. So this will be fate versus your own will. So there will be a struggle of the same. Things will go from up to down or down to up. So situation will keep changing for you right now, and however, finally you will be able to stabilize this situation. There will be some offer of money. The money which you are expecting, the reciprocation in love or reciprocation in money which you are expecting will happen for you. The other energies which I see is to take a risk. Take a risk in these circumstances. If you are faced with a challenge, then you have to take a risk, take a leap of faith, do something which you have never done before. So to find a solution, sometimes you have to take a risk. So this is another energy which is coming. Two of Swords energy is there. For a long time you have been thinking about something and not being able to decide. It's in front of you, it's in front of you, but you are denying the truth. So there could be, the message which the angels gave you, that fix your priorities, focus on your priority. You have to decide on a priority with this two of swords card, which is showing that you are doing, to and fro about a certain decision. You have to take that decision now. So there is no time, you have to take a decision now and change your circumstances. Finally, I see the outcome. The outcome is Six of Wands. This means overcoming all the obstacles which you will face in the next 10 days. So you will be able to overcome your problems with the decision you will make with the full energy, something which you have never done before. Some leap of faith will be taken by you regarding love, career, business, or anything. Some risk will be taken by you to find some gain in the end. So this is what I see for you, Geminis, for the next 10 days. I hope people could resonate with it and people could connect it with their own lives. So if you have not understood it in one go, please listen to it again, so that you understand it properly and connect it to your life and what actions you need to take. So basically you need to take a decision, keep your eyes open, be alert, be moderate, and go through this crisis, because you like a good life. So to maintain that good life, you have to take the risk. So this is what I see for you. So God bless you. I hope you have a good 10 days. Bye bye.